Good morning everyone. For standard 10, I have given one sum. That sum we will solve. If alpha and beta are the roots of x square plus 5x minus 1 is equal to 0, find first alpha cube plus beta cube, second alpha square plus beta square. This we have to find. I will take this also, alpha cube minus beta cube. That also I will teach you the trick, because the video becomes very lengthy. That's why I'm just giving you some information how to do it. Answer this equation comparing with x square plus bx plus c equal to 0, we have alpha plus beta is equal to minus b upon a, and alpha into beta is equal to c upon a. This we know. What is a and b? Where a equal to, compare this, 1, b is equal to 5, and c equal to minus 1. This is what we have. As the space is less, that's why I am just trying to save the spaces. Okay. Therefore, alpha plus beta is equal to, b is 5, so minus 5 upon a means 1, that is equal to minus 5. Alpha into beta is equal to c upon a. The value of c is minus 1 and a is 1, so that is equal to 1. So first one, what I want, alpha cube plus beta cube. Number 1. If it is a cube, use the formula for cube. Alpha plus beta bracket cube is equal to alpha cube plus beta cube plus 3 alpha beta into alpha plus beta. One sum I have solved in the previous videos on this. From where this formula has come, in standard 8 you have done this formula. A plus b bracket cube is equal to a cube plus 3a square b plus 3ab square plus b cube. This formula you have done. Only some adjustment is done in this. That is equal to a cube plus, what is common? 3ab is common. So 3ab is common. Remains is a plus b. See this, 3 is taken, a is taken, b is taken, so a will remain. In this 3 taken, a taken, b is twice, so 1b will remain. Plus b cube. And these terms I have arranged. A cube plus b cube plus 3ab into a plus b. Same way, the formula for a cube minus b cube, a minus b bracket cube, a minus b bracket cube is equal to a cube minus 3a square b plus 3ab square minus b cube. So this I will bring together, a cube minus b cube, common is minus 3 a b, here it will remain a. As minus is taken, this will become minus, so minus b. See the adjustment. So it is not that only this question will be asked. They can ask a cube minus b cube also. Bring this here and you will get a cube minus b cube. Okay. Therefore, a plus b, the value I know, a plus b, the value is minus 5. So alpha plus beta, that is minus 5, its cube is equal to alpha cube plus beta cube plus 3 alpha beta. So alpha beta value also I know. What is that? 1. So here I will write 1 into alpha plus beta is minus 5. So minus 5. There. This will become minus 125 is equal to alpha cube plus beta cube. And this is minus 3. Minus 3 5 are 15. Bring this here. Therefore, minus 125. This will be plus 15 is equal to alpha cube plus beta cube. Therefore, so this will become 0.05011110 is equal to alpha cube plus beta cube. So see how I have solved. Just once again I will explain this. Alpha plus beta bracket cube is equal to alpha cube plus beta cube plus 3 alpha beta and alpha plus beta. Put the value alpha plus beta, the value is minus 5 cube. Alpha cube plus beta cube add plus 3 into alpha beta is minus 1. I have this is minus 1, that I have done a mistake. So this will be minus 1. This minus into minus will become plus. And then here, if I bring it here, it will become minus. And the answer will come to be minus 140. So we have to concentrate on the mistakes. So this plus brought here become minus. So alpha cube plus beta cube has become minus 140. If I want to find alpha minus beta bracket cube, alpha minus beta I don't have. First of all, I will find the values of alpha square plus beta square, and then at that time from that alpha minus beta bracket square also we can get. So this is one. Now the second one. Answer you write alpha cube plus beta cube. Final answer. Their answer for this alpha cube plus beta cube is equal to minus 140, that we have to write. You should not go on learning the formula always. Should have some tricks also. Now for the second, what I want is alpha square plus beta square. So I will use alpha plus beta bracket square is equal to alpha square plus beta square plus 2 alpha beta. Therefore, alpha plus beta is minus 5. Its square is equal to alpha square plus beta square plus 2 into alpha beta is minus 1. Minus 5 square is 25 is equal to alpha square plus beta square minus 2. And this minus 2 will become plus over here. So I can write alpha square plus beta square is equal to 27. And the answer of this. Now, if suppose alpha minus beta, that I have to find, so I will use alpha minus beta bracket square formula. Say suppose they have asked Number 3, alpha minus beta. If I want this, then the third one I am doing it. So I cannot wait a long during the video because the video becomes too long, and uploading it becomes very difficult. So what I suggest is, first of all, you try to understand and then go on writing along with me in the second view. The third one, alpha minus beta I want. So alpha minus beta bracket square, this formula I will use. That is equal to a minus b bracket square a square minus 2ab plus c square. That means alpha square plus beta square minus 2 alpha beta. Therefore, alpha minus beta bracket square is equal to, here this I have alpha plus beta, so I will make this alpha plus beta bracket square. Means alpha square plus 2 alpha beta plus beta square, say this a square plus 2ab plus b square. I have adjusted this plus 2 alpha beta. If I am taking plus 2 alpha beta, then I have to subtract also minus 2 alpha beta. For this I have adjusted this. But I have not still yet written this, so minus 2 alpha beta. Therefore, alpha minus beta bracket square is equal to this will become alpha plus beta bracket square. And these two together will come minus 4 alpha beta. Now you have all the values, put those values. Therefore, alpha minus beta bracket square is equal to alpha plus beta. What is that? Minus 5. So minus 5 square minus 4 into alpha into beta is minus 1. Therefore, alpha minus beta bracket square is equal to minus 5 square will be plus 25 plus 4. Here I will write, therefore alpha minus beta bracket square is equal to 29. But what they have asked is alpha minus beta. Therefore alpha minus beta is equal to plus or minus under root 29. Okay. Now suppose they have asked, they will not ask generally, but suppose they have asked alpha square minus beta square. Find the value of alpha square minus beta square. Now there is no formula where after expanding the square you will get alpha square minus beta square. There is no formula. When we expand any square, these negative terms will be always positive. So what to do in that case? This is one simultaneous equation, alpha minus beta is equal to something. It will be definitely not like this. It will be a perfect square of something. That way the sum will be given. And if it not, then also you can solve. This is number 1. Alpha minus beta is equal to plus or minus root 29. And alpha plus beta, that is equal to minus 5. These two will become the simultaneous equations, and then adding them, beta beta will get cancelled. 2 alpha beta will be having this and this. So that in the simultaneous equations, if we solve, afterwards I am going to take it, how to solve the simultaneous equation, though you have understood in standard 9. Okay, this is all for this sum.